Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss highlight cells rules option available in the conditional formatting. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, econometrics, mathematical economics, and statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now, suppose we want to highlight the marks of students or who are scoring more than 35 marks in maths. So first you select the range. So I have the data of 15 students and their marks in maths and English. So now I have selected the range, that is maths. In home tab, we have the option of conditional formatting. And in conditional formatting, the first available option is highlight cells rules. And in highlight cells rules, we have various options: greater than, less than, between, equal to. So in greater than, you type 35 and simply click OK. So now you can see if the marks is higher than 35, that cell is highlighted. Now suppose I want to highlight the cells or students who have scored less than 25 in English or less than 30 in English. So you again go to conditional formatting. First you select the range, then go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, less than, and you type 30. And here you can change the color. Instead of light red, I want yellow. And click OK. So you can see these 3 cells are highlighted. Right? Another option is equal to. So now I'm again selecting the range. Go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, select equal to, and suppose marks is equal to 39 in English, and you select green fill. Simply click OK. So you can see green is here because the value in cell is equal to 39. Now suppose you want to highlight the marks between 35 and 45 or between 45 and 50, for example. So again, you select the range. Go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, between. So between 40 and 50. And only red text. Simply click OK. So now you can see here, it is 43, 45, 40, here 44. So if your score or the entry in cell is between 40 and 50, it is highlighted. So this is how you can use conditional formatting. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.